How to tag everyone in Facebook group? Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just open your Facebook mobile application here, and once it get open, you have to search for the group, right? So you can just go to group. By the way, if you don't know the name of the group, you can just always search from here, right? And just click on enter button and it will search for a few seconds here. So this is it. So but if, by the way, if you have already joined, then you can just go to here. For example, let me show you. Just click on here, and here you will just go to the group section, and here you will find all the groups which you have joined. Just for the example, I joined this group and it is available now here, right? So right now I'm joined, and how I can tag everyone. So right, I will just write here hello. If you want to tag everyone, whether it's a video, post or text, whatever, just put a adder, right, and just type everyone, right, and yeah, make sure that is correct one. And after, you just enter everyone. By the way, if you don't have the permission to add everyone, because there are some of the groups where the admin or the owner doesn't allow any of the members to use that everyone, so that that person can't tag everyone at the group. But if you want to tag everyone, by the way, you have to search for each and every member of this group, right? So just to, for example, if you want to tag someone else, just add here add and just type a, and you will find a lot of person that is available in this group, right? So in this way you can just tag. For example, I have written everyone and I will just post, right? So once the admin approve my post, you can see here, thanks for sharing your post and answer with the admins, right? So it is available in the admin. So once admin approve it, it will get this post will shown to everyone, and everyone will receive a notification that I have tagged them. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.